This video is to show you how to remove and replace the strike on a Sierra cheese machine. Simply open the door. We'll locate the strikes, which are located right here and right here. We will take a tack removal tool that you can find at any hardware store, and we will simply put this removal tool underneath the strike and pull out the strike. To put it back in, or to replace it, we will simply just put it in. A new one may go in harder than that, or if your plastic is slightly worn out, you may want to take a little adhesive similar to this E6000, put a small dab on there, and then put it inside the hole by pushing it in like this, and then closing the door and letting it set up for a few hours, and that will hold that.